Let's have a look at the dashboard functionality of Loggly. You probably already know how to drill down into the Dynamic Field Explorer to see the fields that Loggly has automatically parsed out for you. So I'm going to drill down into my JSON down to JSON level, and you'll see it pulls up three values, a little over 5,000 events, info, error, debug. Of course, we can go and see the individual parsed out fields in the event viewer, but what if we want to add them to something graphical like a timeline or bar chart? Come up here, click show on timeline, and then there's your data on that timeline. You can see statistics such as the average, the min, the max, variance, value of, or the event count. And one thing that's actually unique to the timeline is that you're actually able to add additional metrics to the same one. So let's say I want to add HTTP client host. Now I've got that on there along with my JSON levels. So in addition, we also can add them to a pie chart, as you can see here, or a bar chart. And it's super easy to add these to a dashboard, these individual widgets. I just come up here and say, save my dash one, and that'll be now saved under my dashboards. So then when I go to that screen, you'll see I've already built out a bunch. I've got a backup and developer one here showing my Apache statuses, request times, Java errors, top error URIs. I even made ones or my backend dash, sysadmin server errors, IP addresses, and additional ones, database, client, and mobile. You can create a new one and then add the widget that you created from your search, which would be under the custom widgets we can see here. So I just added that one. You'll also notice that this is dynamic data. So when you click on one of the widgets, it actually will fly you back into the search UI and pull up the exact parameters that created that dashboard. Also, let's say I want to share one of my dashes with someone else. So I just come into the dashboards area. I'll go back to my backend dash. And then there's a button up here, and this is the sharing button. So you just go ahead and click this guy, and then that will pull up a prompt. And you just copy that URL, share that with someone, and it'll pull that full-blown completed dashboard into their account. And even better, there's also the ability to have Loggly do it for you. So we can go to source setup and then click on app packs, which is a new feature. And then you'll see that you've got a few options for different app packs that will basically generate automatically configured dashboards. I'm going to select the Nginx one. Let me scroll down, add this, and then click continue. So now, after a couple seconds, I'll go back to my dashboard screen. And now we're going to find that in addition to the ones I had created before and the one that I started to create just now, we'll see over here after tab 8, we've got Nginx. So when I click on that guy, you'll see now automatically, without much work at all, I've been able to build out full-blown dashboards for my Nginx data, status codes, top pages last hour, top remote IP addresses, top errors. We've also got user agents, data volume last error. So as you can see, very powerful, very easy to use Loggly dashboard capabilities.